So you can buy a property. In my case, I bought a foreclosure property for my personal home that needed tons of work, and I didn't have the money at the time to pay out the fees to do it. So I got this special rehab loan that the government offers. It was amazing. Yeah, it was phenomenal. But that's the 203K rehab loan. Okay, government insured loans reducing lender risk for borrowers with lower credit or down payment are. So a VA loan is VA Veterans Affairs for people that were in the military. Veterans for the military, they get a special loan program. But this one is talking about the FHA, okay? Federal Housing Administration. FHA loans are part of a group of loans that receive federal government insurance